first animal sighting of the day were these 3 elephant bulls. Normally we wouldn't stay too long at a sighting like this due to the unpredictability that come with elephant bulls. However, these 3 seemed very docile and unfazed by our presence, so we got slightly ahead of them so we were in a good position to drive off should they demand their space, and luckily we did. We enjoyed a very peaceful sighting with these magnificent creatures, and so one decided that they had had enough. We got back to Skukuza after our morning drive and got straight to packing up camp. Once we were done, we made our way to the Kruger Station Restaurant for some much needed coffee and breakfast. The restaurant is perfectly positioned along the historical Salati line and is centered around the magic of the station's past, paying homage to a significant piece of South African history. Although the restaurant is a bit pricey compared to other restaurants in the park, it is definitely worth a visit.
No!
Payback.
You can't take from mine. Did you guys witness that? Okay. As we said last night, we stopped at the train station restaurant. Very, very cool. There's the big steam engine and the dining carriage, and then we're in the station and we ordered us a traditional brekkie, and look at that. Very, very, very nice.
we stopped on the side of the, well, we saw, so I thought it was a wild dog because he was so dark, but look, right by outside our window. He's right there. We hope he's okay because he hasn't moved and he's still a bit of a pup because he's still super dark at the back there. But how cool is this? Got the other car inside, which is so nice. It's just random in the middle of the road. Did not worry about us driving up to him.
Yeah, it's been a quiet drive because we're doing 70 k's from
Skukuza.
Skukuza to
Berg-en-Dal.
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 Oh my god.
Anyway, we're going to keep going because we have to get back to we have to get to Berg-en-Dal so we can set up. But yeah, just enjoying this little guy for 2 minutes.
So we have arrived at the Berg-en-Dal camp after circling around a few times. We reluctantly chose a site that wasn't on the fence line. Very nice site nonetheless, very friendly neighbours, good hospitality. I was sweating a bit and the gentleman offered me a beer, which is always a good thing. But yeah, so although we're not on the fence, they have a nice little fence walk. It's paved, they've got information boards and the whole lot walking along here, which is quite cool. If we spot anything, we'll let you know, but what I can tell from the campsite so far is great bird life. We've already seen a couple species that we've yet to come across in the 6 days that we've been here. So yeah, very cool. Very scenic. It's a nice stop.
Our evening walk around camp was made even more special when we heard a herd of elephants in the distance. Listening to their sounds while walking in the bushveld amongst all types of nature at dusk is a truly magical feeling.
Alright, a real treat on the braai tonight. That over there is a tomahawk steak. Just to give you a bit of scale. That's my hand next to it. Nice, good cut of meat. Brought with us from our from Natal, from our local butchery. So yeah, that's going to be on the menu tonight. So fire is just about there, coals are burnt down, probably not a good image, but yeah, so I'm gonna lightly spice it. I don't really want to hide too much of the natural flavors with any spice, but I will spice it a bit, and I'm gonna follow some instructions given to me from my brother-in-law on how to do it, which is cook the bone side, cook the fat side, which is tricky because you kind of got to hold it in place, and then seal the sides like you would with a regular steak. So yeah, wish me luck. It's my first time doing a tomahawk. Lee's been busy prepping some side dishes, some potato and some veg, and yeah, we'll let you guys know how it goes. Damn, son.
You can put your own cheese sauce on. We can't believe we are already over halfway through our Kruger trip. Although we have only just arrived at Berg-en-Dal, we are absolutely thrilled with the camp and are looking forward to spending time exploring inside camp as well as all the routes outside. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you in our day 8 vlog coming next week.